What's up guys, I'm Corey, founder of Mindstarter.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can speak English like a native English speaker, fast, the cool way. Let's go! What's up guys, Corey with Mindstarter.com here, and you know I've had the pleasure and opportunity of teaching and becoming friends with students, English students just like you, from all over the world. And they all tell me the same thing. They say, you know Corey, when we learned English in school, we learned writing, we learned reading, we learned grammar, but we really didn't get a chance to speak, so we still can't speak English. The other thing I notice is that many of my students are watching YouTube, TED Talks, and Netflix, but they aren't getting enough speaking time in. And so if you are spending more time listening than you are speaking, then your understanding of English is going to be great, but your speaking level is not going to be great. Right, so here at Mindstarter.com, we decided to do some research, and based on our research, we think we've come up with the fastest way for you to learn to speak English like a native speaker, and we call that the C.O.O.L method. Now, that stands for context-oriented obvious language. And basically what that means is we put you in a situation, a context, like being at an airport, shopping, or, it could be dining. Any context where you're learning English. And then after that, we've built an AI from the ground up that takes your speech and compares it to that of native speakers. And then it gives you a score. So this way, you learn to speak just like a native speaker. So I hope you're as excited about learning English as I am. If you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button. Also, we'll be uploading tons and tons of free content to help you on your English learning journey. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you're really serious about learning English, come on and join us at Mindstarter.com. We'd love to have you, and I hope to see you there. So let's get learning.